Difu Circuit House along Jakong Thom Kep Arni Adu Tuen RC along Kepaklang Japotak Hampang Ratchari Sarpuang Bong Mai Kangni Mai along NRC Kepaklang Ahut Monsam Donang Jipu Kaciparai Difu ST Lok Sabha ang Hoyapan Parliament Election Management Committee Keseng New Delhi along adap Kresia por pen arni kangsam hinia por an hempret ke hangasong jatum tharna kang Prime Minister Home Minister Rahul Gandhi apat pirpura along ke pajur News time along pen level urban tropi non beer tang ton pen RJ tha jakhong thom kep arni adun tu NRC lo paklang thupo NRC lo ke paklang hori bohong kapawe de japan Difu Circuit House along jakhong korener kep arni hampang ratchari sarpula pen Deputy Commissioner angbong ECBD sore chipacha mai pado Deputy Commissioner Mridul Kumar Mahanta Chiphaim Phupen Kipado Hampang Amailong Jakong Thom Kebra ECR ni Mon Samangbong Adun Thu NRC lo kapaklang thek Japan kachingbai klong paledam Laso Arni konabne kachibhong angring do pulute prabjin pen kiton kilang sai kamalong birta men palinang jilapen emithang amat aron chipar deng dedet nang jiputa mailong chidon sarpen lam the cheparai NRC lo kepangdak ji arni along pachiton dunpen Karbi along SPS ahem along Police Control Room tapathik pon Police Control Room alakha ke 9365972436 handle Difu ST Lok Sabha hoi kilika pharman jakhong korener kep arni dokpoka long Parliament Election Committee kiseng abirta longdun Lok Sabha mati MP kilik arni kate boklang dampen Difu ST Lok Sabha kilika phan East Karbi Anglong BJP hin pen jakhong korener kep arni dokmoka long harokhat la pen baithalang so Legislative Assembly aparman Parliament Election Committee sengsi kilika phan chesik chedam pontanglo Committee ke sengalong Assam State BJP Dunmai Phulong Kitimong Bokajana MLA Dr. Numol Momin BJP asong Japo Bharat Kumar Timong pen Chenglok pen ansong jatum chitong dun Kanchasti komla pen ajirpo hampang song tum jakhoing kora troxy arni New Delhi along hempreka pharman adap Kresia porpen arni kangsam hinia poran dharna padupusi pachitak alopen KSA mai phuka news along birta nang pali KSA amai phuben birta kelong ateng ke Bharat Ratcharya ronalong ke do article 244A ateng Assam State angbong Karbi Anglong la pen dim hasau hini autonomous council aphan autonomous state nang pinang pupa alampen Prime Minister Home Minister la pen INC amai phu Rahul Gandhi atumaphan pirpura lo pajir dharna along Jakas KLNLF KSA Karsa Kuya KRA DSA la pen DSU tumta chitong dun Namalam sopor phan bir tamo ing tamarik sina
As per orders of the Honorable Supreme Court, the complete draft NRC will be published within 30th of July. At this moment, I wish to inform the public that the draft NRC list that we will be publishing is not the final NRC. It is a draft NRC. That means that applicants who do not find their names in draft NRC will still get a chance to file claims, meaning thereby getting another chance to apply for NRC. During the process of claims, the applicants will get full opportunity to adduce all evidence to prove that they are genuine Indian citizens. As such, applicants not finding their names in draft NRC have no reason to worry. Final NRC, which will be published only after disposal of these claims and objections, will not miss out any genuine Indian citizens. Further, public will also get opportunity to make corrections of errors and spellings, if any, occurring in the draft NRC. Provisions will also be there to file objections against any ineligible entries. I would like to inform the public that filing of claims, objections or corrections is the legal right. Forms for filing claims, objections or corrections will be submitted at the designated NRC Seva Kendras. After some time, we will launch a separate publicity campaign on the manner of submission of forms, their availability and time schedule, etc. NRC officials will also organize meetings and training sessions at various public places to enable the public to participate in the process of claims, objections and corrections.
It is hereby informed to all the repeater candidates of HSLC examination securing 50% marks in repeaters examination can take admission in Arts and Science stream at Kanak Klata Junior College, and those students who secured 45% marks in the same examination can get admission only in Arts stream. Hostel facility is also available for both boys and girls students. Regular candidates can also apply for both Arts and Science stream. For more details, please step in Kanak Plata Junior College, MG Road, Ward number 5, near Sankardev Vidya Niketan, Lanka. Contact number 8638735290 or 8011979888. Atorkimi Outlet brings you an amazing items for your kitchen and dining like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, etc. Along with makeup, cosmetics, and grocery items are also available according to your needs. Atorkimi Outlet opposite Langpidangi Rural Bank, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesiri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola, ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihanamo Pipothat Birtalong Bangthulo. Bukulia United Karbi Youth Club along Karbi Chukumar Asongatum Ningkan Hinipen Ipong Kipado Amailong Chukumar Akimang Lapen Arpo Pothak Kachingwa Akrong Palidam Pusikat News along Birta Nangli. Mai Purat Neshwar Tisola Pen Kong Chunbang Borsing Teronotum Kijapon Amailong Karbi Chukumar Akisunga Pothakta Chingwa Chingsai Si Pen Analam Thi Chiparai Pusi Birta Ribtunlang. Karbi Anglong Arta Ningkan Trokepra Troksia Pita Thonsuri Constituency Arlo Jamuna Ingtia Rongalong Dolong Avelang Pusi Rong Sorkaning Rebirta Kat News along Nangpali. Sorkar atum thengpia dolong pen RCC dolong kelar Japan Varsai kipia por hut anta Dhonsuri constituency arlo Jamuna Ingtia Rongalong ke non puarnita dolong Avelang. Dolong kavya jog rongsor sung olu pisikat ni sapan birta kahumri damhut rongsor nang thandun. Kedamtang ASDC ke thiang hut la sa dolong salam chot pen ke Congress ningkan krep hola pen non BJP ningkan hini ke chare hut anta salam le.
La pierong la ka
Ada salah haro.
de so la pu don la so dolong long rong ka la chela la
Laki la soto long ke de salah ha bini ti condro long pi sikari be buratero na rong pinipaliaro
ene kona consensi lo le ne purikela
konsri constituency
consensi non yem do bom ke malon te la
noni em do bonge product dipusa hido
product bom sa te la product posa election por hot la pun wang mang ve la so dolong
ho la puang we
wang ve la vote ke hang mana wang ve mala
obut ka hota bang we mane dagarar bang chini pojara bang
amni bhase chini ne
amni phani chini
ente non ke do bom sarkar phanal tum la so dolong ptak pula pudun jike chohangang tum
Laki niru tum rapet ke chingwai bom lo tenon puta mia kam je papinga khete lang yo
ha ke cheng mana la so teng sin dolong ma mana phang na pilo ma so dolong kente
o aprang ACC hu pidolong nang pilo
pidolong la ese sarkar do dat penya pinya ni anta bang pena
lang we amala sing pidolong ta lang thema pon de lo manona phi rong so si kim lo ta pining bang ke chuning lo edi la ke rong so si kim bong lo basa ras NGO tum si NGO be si ki
NGO से नहीं पीला है तो नॉन के दो बम ना काउंसिल चारी बम दफा ना तुम पीला सब उठा तुम के क्या हैं गांग तुम के मैं पीने ही पुटाऊं पुनी माँ माते पे
o la ke na pinai poya lo thi ni tum rong ko an rong tok si ke na lang ke thi pen ni tum ka tikuk do lo so ma lo chali tum ta ka dam to ra e long ka ma dam da ka to ra yo la pai do le hai
किसो क्यों नहीं तेरा सुधरों से दम बम ना
la lo la si utule wan ta pung nang paparo ne da lo ala po an pon po di wan po cha dam yui la pu son da ka to ra do ko lo ya
धनसुरी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी MEC मते EM प्रदीप डिफुसा फंता जमुना इंडिया रंग सर की थेकलोंग ले आरपसी की ओंगलांग बुता अकोय पिदा ला सोदोलोंग काव्या जोग दसेमेट स्कूल आउ सुमार लापेन रात का चलेंगा फन सुंग इनांग ओलुपता रंग सर निंग रिरिंती बिरटा पंकेला पंचकांग टन परिक्लो दोमे थांगमे कोरबांग थो